Welcome to Ready Claim, your trusted guide in the world of insurance. Our mission here is to be your compass, navigating the often confusing insurance landscape. We aim to offer accurate, easy to understand, and helpful information about a wide range of insurance topics. Whether you're a seasoned policyholder or a first-time buyer, we're here to help you make sense of it all. So, buckle up and get ready to gain some valuable insights. In today's video, we're going to delve into the complex world of no-fault insurance. No-fault insurance, what does it really mean? Well, in simple terms, no-fault insurance is a system where each party's own insurance company covers their injuries and damages, regardless of who is at fault in an accident. This approach is designed to provide prompt compensation to accident victims. Instead of getting tangled up in the who did what game, no-fault insurance focuses on getting help to those who need it, and fast. Imagine you're in a car accident. With no-fault insurance, your insurance company steps up, covering your medical bills and other related expenses, no matter who caused the accident. This system bypasses the traditional fault-based insurance, where the at-fault party's insurance would typically pay for the damages. The primary objective here is to minimize the time and hassle involved in determining who's at fault and to get the necessary financial assistance to the victims promptly. So that's the basic idea behind no-fault insurance. Let's dig deeper. What types of coverage come under no-fault insurance and what are its benefits? Well, no-fault insurance typically includes two major types of coverage. The first is personal injury protection, or PIP, which covers medical expenses, lost wages, and other related costs for the policyholder, regardless of who caused the accident. The second is medical payments coverage, which specifically deals with medical and funeral expenses. Now, onto the benefits. The no-fault insurance system has several advantages. For starters, it offers faster claims processing, which means you get your compensation sooner rather than later. It also reduces litigation, saving you from costly and time-consuming court cases. And perhaps most importantly, it provides quicker access to medical care and compensation, so you can focus on recovery without worrying about the bills. These are the major coverages and advantages of no-fault insurance. But is it mandatory or optional? Let's find out. Is no-fault insurance a must-have or a nice-to-have? And how does it compare to fault-based systems? Let's dive in. No-fault insurance isn't a one-size-fits-all. In some jurisdictions, it's mandatory. In others, it's optional. The mandatory approach ensures that everyone has some level of coverage. On the other hand, optional no-fault insurance gives you the flexibility to choose the system that best suits your needs and budget. Now, let's contrast this with fault-based systems. In a fault-based system, the insurance company of the person at fault pays for the damages. It's a bit like a court case where the guilty party pays. No-fault insurance, however, is more like a mutual agreement where each party's insurance company covers their own, regardless of who caused the accident. Understanding these differences can help you make an informed choice about which insurance system is right for you. Now that we've compared no-fault and fault-based systems, let's look at some limitations of no-fault insurance. No-fault insurance isn't perfect. There are some limitations and costs involved. Like most things in life, no-fault insurance has its share of limitations. For instance, there may be coverage caps that limit the amount of compensation you can receive. Certain criteria must be met to claim benefits, and there may be types of accidents that aren't covered. Now let's talk about premium costs. The cost of your no-fault insurance premium is influenced by a variety of factors. Your driving history plays a significant role. If you've got a clean slate, you're likely to pay less. Your location also matters. Areas with higher accident rates often see higher premiums. The type of vehicle you drive and the coverage limits you choose can also affect the cost. Understanding these limitations and costs can help you make more informed decisions about your insurance coverage. And that wraps up our discussion on no-fault insurance. Remember, the more you know, the better you can navigate the insurance landscape. Let's quickly recap what we've covered about no-fault insurance. No-fault insurance is a system where your own insurance company covers your injuries and damages, regardless of who caused the accident. We've also discussed the types of coverage, benefits, and whether it's mandatory or optional. We've contrasted it with fault-based systems, looked at limitations, premium costs, and how it coordinates with other insurances. Remember, understanding these topics can help you navigate the insurance landscape. Thanks for joining us today. Stay tuned for more informative videos from Ready Claim, where we make insurance easy to understand.